Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with a...
What's up, WST gang? Welcome to the channel again. Today we're reacting to inside Davido's $1.5 million mansion. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. This is the biggest mansion a musician has ever owned. So big and you're going to be shocked. Kindly subscribe, leave thoughts in the comments. Let's get into the video right.
From society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I like the inside. This you can see, it looks so peaceful. Wow, this is sick. This is sick. Shout out to Tayo for this video. Ooh, wow, this is a very huge mansion. You can tell it looks so sick, you know. I just like the the inner colors, the white. It looks so good. The lights, they look so excellent.
All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing.
Enough of the outdoors, let's go indoors. So I think they have a pool in the building. From what I'm guessing, this pool is probably a 5-foot pool. So yeah, it has a nice pool.
Wow.
I actually love the glass finishing. They had a lot of glass finishings on the walls. I like the way the designer of this house, which is Sujimoto, crested his name on it. It shows you how proud of the building he is. And if you can look up right here, you can see there are some CCTV cameras just to show you how secure this estate is. Also, if you're trying to get into Banana Island, they changed the security code like every 1 hour.
That's what I was talking about. I really like the color. You can see the pool. It really makes sense. It looks excellent. Wow.
Oh, nice. Automated gates. It opens by itself and closes. So you're just driving in, you don't need to get down. There doesn't need to be like a gate man or anything. You just click on the remote and the gate opens up. You can see the whole of the Lagos Lagoon from here. And then you can also see some other smaller sized houses, which are also really expensive too. The average pricing of properties in Banana Island, I think from 300 to 500 million. Most of the houses I've seen are around the average price. Oh, they have a fire escape, which you can get access to if any mishap happens. So let's walk.
Good. Nigeria, do you have good places, eh? I wish to buy a mansion one day in Nigeria. It's going to happen, gang. So, wow, this house looks so good. You can just tell the outward appearance, so good.
Go into your elevator and just click it. It's part of what shows that a house is luxurious. Buying an elevator, I think most elevators have an average price of like $50,000. It's depending on the size. So I think this elevator looks like a 3 to 4 person max elevator. first floor has the sitting room area, and what's this? Oh, these are nice chairs. It has Bentley's logos crested on it. Nice. You can see the marble tabletop. Looks really exquisite.
300 to 500 million. That's half 1 billion. Yeah, I think that's Naira.
Oh, and there's like a statue. It's a statue. It's like the bust of a statue of somebody, probably one of the Italian families. And then we move into the bigger sitting room, which is nice. I love the furniture. I love the whole chocolate and white feel. It has this
really
luxury feeling to it. Let's keep moving. Oh, is this Amadu Bello? It's like Amadu Bello on a horse on the wall.
Time. This is worth $1.5 million, not Naira. So if you want to convert in Naira, please convert that dollar. Wow, this is so big.
Is this light fixture that is hanging from the ceiling? It looks like all those rings, a lot of rings. Ooh, Bosch. Most of the appliances in this house were made by Bosch, which is a German manufacturer of household equipment.
Wow. Davido really bought a big good house, and I heard his songs are getting millions of sales, and he's a millionaire right now, a very huge artist in Africa. Look at all this.
Are also automatic, which is really nice. You just wake up in the morning and I'm like that Lion King song, and then you just press the button and the line just open up. Banana Island is also still in development phase. It's not fully crowded like almost all areas in Lagos. I think it's also one of the estates they actually sat down to plan. Guys, check out this closet. No, you know how rich is when you have closets like this. This is a walk-in closet. But I don't know what to say again. This is really, really beautiful. For somebody who is living here, a celebrity like Davido, you probably need to keep a lot of shoes and a lot of clothes, you know. What kind of mirrors are these? The person who designed this thing was a very prominent designer, porcelain. I think it's gotten from the word porcelain, which is the material they used to make many of all these ceramics. Bathtub where you can sit down and just soak in, just bask in like a bubble bath, and just chill and think about all your problems and how you're going to solve them.
Enjoying the video, guys, subscribe to this channel. On my way, I need 10,000 before the end of 2022. Let's go, Africa.
The distinction or the merger between architecture, design, and interior decoration, like the design is really, really, really nice. Even the colors they picked, they are colors that actually make the place pop. Almost every room has a sitting area here where you can just chill. So now it's even really hard to distinguish between the master bedroom and the other bedrooms. They all look exquisite, they all look big, they all have a view. I think the house speaks for itself. these showers are those electronic type of showers. You can see the buttons on it. Just push to start. Everything is becoming push to start. They don't want you to stress and start pressing buttons. They just want you to touch it. Just a light tap, and then the showers will start pouring on your body. And then there's a small ribbon on the bed. This is like a Valentine setting.
It's a bedroom. This has to be the master bedroom.
Ooh. See those lights? Oh, they have these mirrors that when you click on the button, the light goes off. When you click on the button, light comes on. I think I showed this one in my $3 million house that was also in Banana Island. You guys should check out my other videos on my other properties. I'm going to link some of them above.
This is a video on Davido's house. You can tell how the outside it look, how sick it looks. This is a very, very good house. Wow. Look at it.
Feeling endless, sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless.
Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, we do videos like this. Subscribe to the channel. African YouTubers need to rise. So support our initiative. God bless you.
On like lotion, I can feel it soaking. Reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.